Alright, today we're down at Bloom, down at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Stony Creek. And we're just going to go through this. It's like a little Oz oriented type blooms. You can see we got the Wicked Witch here. We got our little tornado of flowers. Beautiful. Look at, we got the little background here. There's Bloomland, Oz. Some beautiful palms. We even got there's a pineapple right here. Some beautiful flowers. I couldn't tell you what half of these are other than maybe the orchids. And some live wallflowers here. So yeah, let's keep going down here and see what we can see. We got this beautiful, beautiful greenhouse that they have. This is the atrium over here. Some nice flowers, almost cactus style plants. I couldn't tell you what these are, so we're gonna have to look them up yourselves. And we're gonna move on down and we'll find some more things to look at. You know, keep you posted. Stay tuned. This is the Royal Botanical Garden map between Hamilton and Burlington. There's the scarecrow. We got over here. Got a nice citrus tree here. I don't think this is real. Oh, that's a fake one. Let's follow the yellow brick road. And we got the gift shop, souvenirs, live plants over here for sale. Beautiful orchids. There's no place like home. I got some art pieces here. I love this thing over here. I like this cow with the horns. Petunia. There's a giant bee. Can't have flowers without bees. Can't have bees without flowers. Lots of orchids. Oh, look at this little waterfall.
You looking for birds too?
Beautiful waterfall.
Say, these are orchids, buddy. You can check off the flower. And I see a little mouse in there too. Sorry.
Wow, they're so pretty. Oh, here's the cowardly lion. Some more fake citrus trees, but it's okay. It still looks pretty. Look at this. Beautiful ferns. More tropical type. I couldn't tell you what any of these are. Pretty though. A lot of orchids. Fan palm. Am I in your way? I'll get out of there. I'm just in everybody's way today. So yeah, look at this. We got poppy hill, poppy wall. Little atrium here. It's kind of pretty. Lots and lots of orchids. We got the Emerald City down here. So we'll check out the Emerald City. So pretty. We've seen some of these before in the local garden, local nurseries, whatnot. Oh, here we go. What do we got here? Some kind of date, I think, but I believe that's fake as well. No, this is fake. Looks like a date. Well, there's a lot of these. These are real here. These are really pretty. They're not going to be growing outside in this Canadian weather, that's for sure. Look at all these orchids. Just a ton of orchids. Some rubber plants. Some monsteras. These are so pretty. And we're following the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. These are pretty too. Wish they could grow outside and come back every year, these orange ones. What do we got over here? Just a little arbor. Yeah, I wish they had, I don't know why they don't have some real citrus. It could grow in here. Beautiful. Look at that. Let's look at this. Look at this monstera here. It's a type of monstera, I believe. It's huge. Massive. inside. My mom's got one of these plants in her house right here. Wow, these are very pretty. So this is what's going on at the RBG, Royal Botanical Gardens in Hamilton / Burlington, Ancaster, off of Plains Road. So if you get a chance to come down and check it out, you should come and check it out. They got little things for kids to do, a little flower hunt, flower treasure hunt. Oh, here we have the Ontario Woodcarvers Association, which I absolutely love and been into since I was 12. Just some beautiful carvings. Really nice. Really nice. Love seeing it. Love seeing people's details that they can do it. Like, look at this. This is Canada in 1696. Just a beautiful box that someone made. Yeah, look at that. And then look, I mean, some of this stuff is just gorgeous. I just love it. Just another thing going on here at the RBG. All right, now we found the Tin Man. We got the Scarecrow, we got the Lion, we got the Tin Man, the Wicked Witch. This is just nice little setups here. I'm gonna check this out, see if this is real. Yep, that one's a real one. That's a pretty tight pine, that's for sure. I like that one. Yeah, look at that. And we'll come back this way. We're gonna go down this way. Lots more to see. Look who we ran into. This is Dorothy. She's having a great old time like we are. She's just pointing us in the right direction.
That's right. Follow the yellow brick road.
Here we go. Thank you. That was so cute.
I know, it was like, and then I realized she was playing part.
I wasn't expecting like a live one. What are these things? I've seen these before. Oh, look at this, so pretty.
Can you take it that
All right, walking on through, coming up to the succulents.
These are not succulents.
It says right there, succulents. Oh, they have so many orchids here. So many palms and some of these nice tropicals. I love them. Beautiful. By all means, comment in the comments there. Butt it in there if you have one of these plants. Oh, look at this one. A spotted orchid. That's kind of really pretty. Oh, look at the beautiful blue one. Look at that. These are live, by the way. And then we got some mauve, purple mauve ones over here. And some veiny blue ones. Really nice. Very pretty. And here we are. You know, beautiful tropicals here. All over. Oh, we got some roses. They mixed the roses in here. You can see these are small roses. Beautiful. Look at this size of this rubber plant over here. Man, this thing's massive. Makes you wonder how long they've been growing that. Birds of Paradise, they call this one. I like that they labeled some of them. And then you got this thing here. Look at this long thing growing off here. Oh, it almost looks like an aloe in some way. So this one here is White Bird of Paradise.
That's what she's decided to do. That's, I think, she's still working on it.
This is aloe. This is a type of aloe in here. Beautiful. And you got like a pineish. This is like a pine tree of some sort. Really pretty. I like that kind of tree. A little bit of a dangler. Another succulent here. What do you call that? Crassula ovata, the jade plant. Okay, jade. I guess I should have just called it that. I'm sure a lot of you have had some of these in your house, depending on where you are in the world. Probably growing some of this stuff in your backyard. I'm in Canada, Southern Ontario. So we definitely, it's crazy. Beautiful though. I love this greenhouse. It's absolutely beautiful. This is what I want my greenhouse to look like, as you can see. Lots of space. You know, just, yeah. I could only like keep the temperature in my greenhouse. I would be doing all right. What we got here? Acacia. So what it is, acacia, cassie? I'm not sure what they say. Can't pronounce some of these Latin names. Some geraniums, ficus. Wow. Beautiful. There's a fancy one right there. And then you got like this thing here, which I wanted to know, a Norfolk Island pine. It's kind of soft feeling. Wow, there we go. It's a beautiful plant. There's the throne chair. All these roses and stuff. It smells so fresh in here. Love the smell in here. Just really just cleans the air for you. What plants do.
Lovely.
It's okay. I gotcha.
Sorry.
It's okay. You're all good. You got to share the road with everybody. Yeah, they did some nice designs in here. Keep you occupied. And said, look and smell. Smell the roses, otherwise you're not doing anything. Wow, some of these are so nice. Snake plants. What's this one? I've seen that before.
Yeah.
It's a mimosa. Oh wow, some of these palms are beautiful. Someone's shoes, some witch's shoes, growing flowers. I like the theme. Makes you wonder what they're gonna do next year. Oh wow, look at that. We're gonna come around the corner here. We're gonna go take a look at these droopy, whatever they are. We gotta find out what plant that is. I really like it. And we got one of these, looks like a holly, some kind of Christmas holly. You got one of these soft pines. Like a cypress.
I know.
Type of cypress, nice. Oh, time for a bath. There, we gotta find out. Look at these things here. Just dangling these. Oh, I don't know if they're real. I don't think they're real. Bummer. It's not a real tree. Psych. Oh wow. Again, some of these things are not real. So I don't think those are real. They're just decorations. Makes it look pretty, but lots of greenery. Where'd my girlfriend go? Keep losing my girlfriend. There she is. I found her. I found my girlfriend. Just come back around again. Check these little things out. They're cool. Nice, better look at them. Pretty. Even this here. What do we got here? A ZZ plant. And over here we got this is a grapefruit. Nice, ruby red. I'm surprised they don't have more of that kind of stuff in here. This is a queen palm right here. That's really nice too. I love palm trees. Where'd my girlfriend go again? See, I keep losing my girlfriend. And croton, we got ginseng over here, ginseng fig. That's interesting. Oh, and we got this like soft pine, droopy pines. We got a little bit of koi fish spawn here. With, some water. We're gonna find out what this is. What do we got here? Paper plant papyrus. Nice. And of course, another queen of the rose. And I found my girlfriend. Look at it, she's right behind the tree. so we're all done. We had some fun here at the RBG. I got some blue oyster mushrooms, and I recommend you come down here and check it out because there's a lot of fauna out there to take a look at, a lot of orchids. And stay safe, come back next week. We'll do another video.